Joint stock shipbuilding company Wimpel presents large missile boat Molniya Project 1242.1. Large missile boat Molniya Project 1242.1 is intended for destruction of hostile combatant ships, transportation facilities and landing craft in open sea regions. The design of the boat is one of the world's best in this class due to the powerful weapons for this type of ships, high seaworthiness, speed and survivability. Main characteristics: total displacement 550 tons, overall length 56.9 meters, overall breadth 13 meters, depth amidships 5.31 meters, extreme draft 3.6 meters. The boat's maximum speed at normal displacement at sea force of up to 2 inclusive and under tropical climatic conditions is not less than 35 knots, the maximum speed being about 38 knots under normal climatic conditions. Recommended crew 44 persons, 47 sleeping berths for the crew are provided. The boat's seaworthiness ensures use of weapons at sea force of up to 4 inclusive without any cost restrictions at the maximum load of main engines allowed. Use of weapons at sea force of 5 at speeds of up to 22 knots. Safe navigation at sea force of 7 at reduced speeds. The boat stays afloat with any 2 adjacent compartments flooded. At full load displacement, the cruising range is up to 2,400 miles at the speed of 12 knots. The boat's provision and freshwater endurance is 10 days. The boat's hull has a combined form of lines, curved contours of the forward part and sharp bilges from frame 4 to the transom. Hull and superstructures are of welded design. Low alloyed steel is used as the main material for manufacture of the hull. Aluminium magnesium alloy is used in the structures of platforms, cross partitions and the superstructure. The hull of the boat is protected against corrosion and fouling by automatic system of cathodic protection. Arms. Missile complex Mosquito is installed for engaging surface targets. The complex comprises the shipboard fire control system and 2 twin launchers for launching 4 low-altitude supersonic cruise missiles and shipboard fire control system. Flight range of missiles up to 120 kilometers. Flight altitude less than 20 meters. Flight speed about 2,450 kilometers per hour. Warhead type penetrating. 176.2 mm automatic gun mount AK-176M is installed in the forepart of the boat for firing at airborne, surface and land targets. Fire rate of gun 120-130 rounds per minute. Maximum fire range 15.7 km. Ammunition 152 pieces, 162 additional cartridges are provided. Fire control modes: automatic, semi-automatic and manual. 2 30mm automatic rapid-fire gun mounts AK-630M for firing at airborne and small surface targets are located on the superstructure in the stern part of the boat. The fire of gun mounts is controlled from radar tracking station. Reserve fire control facilities are also provided. Fire rate of guns up to 5,000 rounds per minute. Maximum range up to 8 km. Ammunition 2,000 rounds. 1,000 additional cartridges for each are provided. Automatic fire control of the gun mounts and reserve fire control by means of the sighting device are performed through the radar fitted with a ranging laser. Reserve fire control aids are available. The boast of the portable anti-aircraft guided missile complex Igla is installed in the stern part of the boat for firing at airborne targets. 12 complete Igla missile sets are provided. Flight range of missiles up to 5,200 meters, altitude up to 3,500 meters. Electronic equipment installed on missile boat Molniya Project 1242.1 includes radar tracking station, positive air, RTS to control the gun mounts and other modern equipments. To protect the boat against optical and radar detection aids, it is provided with 2 passive jamming decoy launchers and shipboard system for radio electronic detection and suppression of hostile radars. To control the boat and to navigate safely in any point of the worldwide ocean, the boat is equipped with navigating system Navy Bridge, which comprises the radar, video plotter and receiving indicator, gyro, azimuth, horizon compass, magnetic compass, induction electronic log, acoustic sounder, radio direction finder. Ship-to-coast, ship-to-ship and ship-to-aircraft communication is provided by the radio equipment manufactured by Sailor Company. Internal loudspeaker communication and commands announcing system are also provided. The visual observation means include the sight, searchlights, equipment for the flashing light signal system. The main engines are represented by gas turbine installation M15A, working on 2 shaft lines. 2 units include cruise engines with reduction gears and 2 units comprise full-speed engines with reduction gears. The cruising reduction gears are connected by the coupling shaft, ensuring the operation of 1 cruise engine for 2 propulsion shafts. Joint operation of all turbines under tropical conditions provides the maximum power output of 24,000 horsepower. Remote control and control of engines is performed from the central control post and from the remote control panel in the wheelhouse. 2 shaft lines are installed at the boat, 3-bladed constant pitch supercavitating propellers, 1.8 meters in diameter, are manufactured of high-strength bronze. 3 diesel generators, 3-phase AC 380 volts, 50 Hz with total power of 500 kilowatts are the main power supply sources for the primary socket. The Project 1242.1 Molniya missile boat is provided with a remote automatic control system of the main propulsion plant, ship electric power plant, shipboard systems and auxiliary machinery. This system controls all modes and monitors operation parameters. The steering arrangement includes 2 balanced rudders, electric hydraulic machine and control system. The steering engine is fitted with automatic remote control but can be operated manually. Missile boat Molniya Project 1242.1 is equipped with water, foam and chemical firefighting systems, the boat's washdown system, drain and sewage water collecting system and other necessary systems to ensure the appropriate living conditions of the crew. Air conditioners Climate 125 are designed for operation in tropical conditions and in the regions with temperate climate. The anchor gear and the towing equipment comply with the displacement of the boat. The life-saving equipment comprising 5 inflatable life rafts, each for 10 persons, meets the requirements of international conventions. A device for fueling at sea is also provided. The large missile boat Molniya is a unique vessel having no counterparts to match it in the world. Owing to the availability of a sophisticated missile artillery complex and the vessel's high speed and seaworthiness, the boat can be regarded as the best one in her class. Project 1242.1 Molniya missile boat is an advanced vessel which can execute assigned missions precisely and within shortest time possible.